Today we will go from this to this. If you listen to what's happening here, your hi-hats are hitting every single note at exactly the same velocity. Same value, same accent, same position on the grid. And that's not groove, that's a spreadsheet. Before we fix this, grab my low-end free pack. The link is in the pinned comment. Kick and bass loops at 132 BPMs. We're going to use it right now to put this hi-hat in context. I help techno producers avoiding the same mistakes for years as I did. 3 moves and that's all. First move, velocity, not random, alternating accents. This is what I call the shaker shape. It mimics how a shaker is usually played. Move 2, micro timing. What we're going to do is the following. You nudge the accent that hits 10 to 20 milliseconds early, which is the third hit. This is just enough to push the groove forward. What about the last hits? You can do the same thing, but you nudge them late. And that's the pocket. Move 3. LFO to pitch. You engage the LFO in simpler and you route it to pitch. Tiny amount and tempo synced. Now every hit will breathe slightly different. Not random, this is intentional imperfection. And now with the low end. You hear that? The hats are not fighting the kick and the sub anymore. They are dancing around it. And that's what humanizing does. Not more notes, but more feel. This is what drummers have done since the first hand hit the first skin. The machine plays perfect and the human plays alive. So we're bringing a bit of aliveness to our hi-hat. So if you got value from this video, like and subscribe. Again, the free low-end pack, the link is on the pinned comment.